Are you trying to access an external database in WordPress using the wpdb class? It can be tricky, but don't worry. Today we're going to break it down step by step. I completely understand your concern. Making external database calls from within a page template can feel a bit sketchy, right? You're definitely not alone in feeling this way. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, "Is my approach to using the wpdb class for an external database secure and efficient?" They shared their code and expressed concerns about security and organization. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what are the potential issues here? When accessing an external database, you need to consider security risks, such as SQL injection, and whether your code is organized properly. We'll break it down so you can ensure your implementation is safe and effective. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you secure your database calls and improve your code organization. To ensure security when accessing an external database, the user should start by validating the database connection. This involves checking the credentials and ensuring they are stored securely. Next, the user should consider using prepared statements instead of directly embedding variables in SQL queries. This helps prevent SQL injection attacks. The user should also think about separating database logic from the template. This can be achieved by creating a dedicated class or functions in a separate file. Finally, the user should implement error handling to manage any issues that arise during database interactions. This can be done using try-catch blocks. Fun fact, the wpdb class is a powerful tool in WordPress, but it can be misused if not handled properly. Just like a superhero, it needs to be used wisely to avoid chaos. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggests that while the wpdb class can connect to multiple tables, it only connects to one database at a time. If you need to connect to another database, you should create a new wpdb object with your connection details. For complex setups with multiple databases, consider using the HyperDB plugin, which simplifies the process and helps with code organization. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always validate and sanitize your inputs before using them in your database queries. This simple step can save you from a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can confidently access external databases in WordPress using the wpdb class. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and remember to keep your code secure and organized.